Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to my first video. We're going to be taking a look at how I built my Titanic experience website in Webflow. This is one of my favorite movies. If you haven't seen it, I don't know where you've been. It's kind of the biggest deal, and everybody saw it in 1997. Everyone had those 2 VHS tapes. You know what I'm talking about. It was so long, it didn't even fit on one. But it's worth it. It's great. So I thought I made a cool little experience thing just to appreciate and show some love to the movie that I watched so many times growing up. So I thought I would just dive right in and show you how the site looks now, and then we'll tackle how I built it in later videos. So let's see. Alright, so we have got our landing page here. I thought I wanted to start something clean and slick just to show off this little cartoon animated design that I made in Figma, which I will be showing you how I built next. But it's nice and simple. And then when you click on this button here, Set Sail, triggers a little animation, a little sunset action, and our website begins. We're going to have a little loading screen while everything loads. I'll show you how to build this.
Titanic was called the ship of
And you'll hear some audio as well. And now this is custom code in Webflow, a really cool feature that you shouldn't be afraid of. It allows you to do some really cool things, lots of flexibility. It's not too complicated either. So this brings us right into our site. I've got a little audio controller here that I built as well. I'll show you how to do that. It's because you don't always want people to have blasted music as soon as they start your site. And then when you scroll down, each thing is broken into sections here. So this first section, I've got some hover cards, 3D animations, show you how to do those. We've got a grid system here with an overview of all the movie information. Some little hover effects, a little sliding scroll animation for this rose. These twinkling stars are Lottie animations, another really great resource for Webflow users. I will show you what that's all about if you don't know already. Got some quotes cycling through on a slider. We've got more hover cards for the actors and beautiful cast that make up the movie. And when you keep scrolling down, we've got some more hover cards, a little bit of trivia. We've got this sliding animation for the Titanic ship under another Lottie animation right there, nice smooth wave effect. Then we've got a gallery of some imagery, a little trailer for the movie you can link into, a little GIF, and then another animation at the bottom from Lottie. And you can click this button, scroll right back to the top. So yeah, it's a pretty cool site, and I'll show you how to do this loading screen in between, like I said. But there's a lot of cool features to this, but it may look like a lot, but it's not that much. It's pretty reasonable, and it was really fun to build. I'm really excited to do it all again for you guys, and yeah, let's just dive right in.